Hello food lovers from around the world and welcome. Today's recipe is my favorite banana bread that I don't feel guilty eating or giving to my kids. Moist, soft yet healthy. With no processed white sugar, whole wheat and with lots of fiber to keep you full for longer. Let me show you how to make it super easy. We begin by sifting the whole wheat flour. I am using white whole wheat but you can use regular one too. Now add a little bit of chia seeds for extra fiber and nutrition, baking soda, salt, cinnamon powder, and whisk everything together. For the wet ingredients, we need 2 eggs, honey to sweeten it, you can also use maple syrup instead, melted coconut oil, vanilla extract, and mix everything well until the honey dissolves. Now a little milk. Of course you can use almond milk, soy milk, rice milk or any other kind of milk you'd like. And finally 2 big, very ripe bananas. We smash them with a fork before adding them to our wet mix. If you guys appreciate my recipes, now is a good time to hit that like and subscribe buttons. It makes me happy and it also helps me continue making these videos for you. Thank you. Now we add all the liquid mix over the dry ingredients and whisk everything just until no dry flour bits remain. It's important not to overmix so the banana bread won't turn hard instead of light and fluffy. We don't want to develop the gluten in the flour. Add in your favorite mix-ins such as nuts or raisins or chocolate chips. I added pecan nuts. Now butter your 9 by 5 inch pan all the way around. You can line it with parchment paper if you prefer. You can bake this mix as a loaf or muffins if you like it more that way. All you'll need to do is to reduce the baking time. I had some banana left so I decorated the top with some round slices. Time to bake it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 or 60 minutes. The muffins will bake in about 15 or 20 minutes. You can check if it is baked by inserting a wooden toothpick in the center and making sure that it comes out clean, just like this. If it has batter on it, it means that it needs a little more time in the oven. Now carefully remove it from the pan onto a cooling rack so it won't get soggy on the bottom from all that steam it releases while cooling. And there you have it, healthy, whole wheat, fiber-rich banana bread that comes together so fast and easy. The flavor and texture are just perfect. You can enjoy it with a cup of coffee or tea and you've got yourself a perfect breakfast or a snack or dessert. I hope you guys like this recipe and will give it a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. I will see you again next time with a new recipe. Bye!